EPS Teleclass.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Rihula Miss. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Did you enjoy your Eid? Yes. Can you tell me which Eid was it? Al-Ha or Fitr? Al-Haid, right, very good. Now, before we continue today's lesson, let's recite Dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Today we are going to learn about concept of subtraction. We have to recall the previous lessons. Outcomes N2.1 demonstrate and use the operation of addition and subtraction and the related vocabulary. Indicators A. Demonstrate that addition is combined in two or more groups and subtraction is taking groups of things away from another. Here is the learning intention of today's lesson. Learning intention. Today we are going to learn about concept of subtraction. Success criteria. We will be successful if we can tell at least three vocabulary used for subtraction. Find the difference of the given subtraction sums. Match the subtraction sentence with correct answer. Okay, can you tell me what did you on Eid? How did you celebrate it? Today I am very excited to tell you how I celebrate my Eid. Now you can see all my family members. Did you know why I got so excited? Eid is a day that all my cousins come to visit me. They always spend Eid with me. Now for them, my mother made some special pastry for them, their favorites, and all of them came right after their Eid prayer. Now you can see them having breakfast. We together had the breakfast. Now you can see this is Alvin, and Alvin favorites is cupcakes. So my mother made lots of cupcakes for him. Now let's see how much he ate. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, there are 19 cupcakes. How many cupcakes, students? Yes, very good, students. Total 19 cupcakes for made. Now let's see how many cupcakes Alvin ate. Counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much cupcakes he ate? Yes, 7 cupcakes. So, this is the total number of cupcakes. From those 19 cupcakes, he ate 7 cupcakes. And let's see how many are remaining here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? So, 12 cupcakes are remaining now. And let's see. This is a Naureen. Naureen's favorite is the donut. So, Mother made some donut for her. And let's see for her how many donuts are here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 donuts. 8 donuts was made for Nauri. Let's see how many she ate. She ate 2 donuts. Now from the total 8, she ate 2. That means 2 donuts was taken away. Let's see how many are remaining. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 donuts are remaining. Very good, students. Who do you think this is? This is also one of my favorite cousins, Raveen. Raveen's favorite is pizza. So, Mother made mini pizzas for him. Now let's see how many mini pizzas here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see total number of mini pizzas. How many are there? Yes, very good. 7. See how many could he eat? Students, how many could he eat? Let's see. You can see this line. This is Raveen that ate a straight between line. So, how he ate it, and that's only 1. Here this is a 1 because he ate only 1 pizza. Let's see how many are remaining. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? Good. Total remaining 6 pizzas are there. Now Myrene was also there. Myrene's favorite is bhajia. So Mother made some bhajia for her. Can you tell me how many bhajias are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, students. You can see total number of bhajia was made. Let's see how many she ate. Students, how many did she eat? Yes, she ate 4. So that means total number of 9 bhajia was taken away. Right? Then let's see how many are remaining are here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. total remaining are 5 bhajiyas. This is a subtraction board. We can see some vocabulary that we use when we do subtraction sums. Now you can see this here. Minus, take away, subtract, taking away, and balance. These are some of the vocabulary that we use when we subtract. Let's look at some words. We can see some vocabularies of addition and subtraction. Use with addition. Here these are some of the words used with addition. Add, more, plus. Subtraction. Subtract, less, and minus. Now students, you can look at the board and see some signs. What do you think this sign? It's the minus sign. What do you think in this sign? This is equal sign. Here you can see 5 minus, that is this sign. Like a dash, we are minus sign. Then here you can see 2. It means from 5, you are going to take away 2. For this one, you can use your finger. To subtract, always remember, you can use different objects like fingers, bottle caps, pencils, crayons, anything that is easy used to do. For this one, you can use finger. Okay? Total how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. From 5, you are going to take away 2. Here, this is a minus sign. Always remember, when the minus sign is there, you have to take away. You can take away 2 fingers. How many fingers? Very good. 2 fingers. Let's see how many are remaining. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. To write these 3, use this equal sign. Okay. After writing the equal sign, we write remaining numbers. Now let us look at this one. 6. Then you can see the addition sign. How many pots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pots. Very good. And then you can see the plus sign. This is you are going to add. How many more? 3 more. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. You have added 3 more to this. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9 pots. After the equal sign, you have to write 9. Okay, students? Then here, look at the another sentence. This is one addition sentence. Here you have to going to write subtraction sentence for the same numbers. Here 9. You can see here 9 pots of peace lilies. From the 9, we are going to take away some. This is the subtraction sign. When you subtract, always remember that the amount get less. So, we are going to take away 3 from 9. Here you can equal sign. then strike 3 pots. Then we can take away 3 from 9. How many are there? Let's look at this and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. How many are remaining? Yes, 6 pots. Then you can see any relationship, the addition and the subtraction sentence. Yes, students, you can look at the same numbers are there used it, right? After coming home, I asked them what they remember about subtraction, and they told me it is a take away. Subtraction means taking away something, and we can use some vocabularies that is related to subtraction: difference, minus, take away, and subtract. And they also told when we subtract, it gets less, right? Students, yes, and we also have to write bigger number first. Remember that, students. When you subtract that, you have to write the bigger one first. From the bigger number, you have to take the smaller one. Okay? And then we can use our fingers to subtract. Also, there are other countable objects that we use like pencils, crayons, bottle caps, so anything that we could use. Or even we can draw our notebook and cut it. Okay? We can draw a circle or anything easier to us, and we strike it to get the answer. Then we show some flowers and butterflies in her garden. So it's beautiful. You can look at here, students. You can see each butterfly is a heaven or number, right? You can see that, and you can also see some flowers, right? Flowers are heaven, some numbers. Numbers sentences, subtraction sentences. What you are going to do now is help the butterflies find the correct answer. How are you going to find it? You can use your fingers. You can use objects like pencil, crayons, bottle caps for anything, or even you draw circles in your notebook and cut it. Now it's the end of today's lesson. Don't forget to take care of yourself. So observe daily prayer, make dua, recite Quran, read morning and evening azkar. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum fi amanillah.
EPS Teleclass